Castling. An introduction. Castling is a type of combination move in chess regarding the king and the rook. It is an optional move in chess whose importance is underestimated. Why castle? Castling is permitted only once in a game of chess. The reasons for castling are as follows. The king is more likely to be exposed to attack in central files of the board. Reason 1. The king is more likely to be exposed to attack in central files of the board and can easily find safety by castling. Moreover, castling also provides a wall of pawns in front of the king. Reason 2. The rook is brought to the center and can easily gain control to the center squares, which give an advantage to the player. How to castle? Castling is done by moving king 2 steps in the left or right direction and then moving the rook in such a way that it crosses the king. There are two types of castling, i.e. the king side castle and the queen side castle. Conditions of castling. Castling is very important in chess and thus can only be played in various criteria are met. The conditions are as follows. Conditions. The king and the rook should not have moved previously. All the squares between the king and the rook should be empty. The king should not be in check. None of the squares between the king and the rook should be under attack.